What do your friends think about you doing this?
Crazy. It's crazy.
No, for real.
Yeah, it's crazy.
My name's Drew.
My name is Max.
I'm Zara. Margie.
We're a family from Vancouver, Belcara, and we just moved into a 60 square foot living space. We're gonna see if we can survive and not kill each other. You only live once, so
We name our van YOLO.
yeah, our van is called YOLO, and everyone knows that you only live once. So you gotta live your life, and we just want to get out of the hustle and bustle and have time with our family and just enjoy life for a couple years. This car has electromagnets built into all the kitchen drawers, mostly because on our first road trip we discovered that these latches that keep the cabinets closed weren't strong enough, so when we took a corner, all our drawers flew open and broke some of our glassware. So behind every single one there's electromagnets, so when the car starts all these close and lock down so that they'll never open while we're driving.
How do you open them while you're driving?
So when we're driving, if we do want to open them, there's a switch here, a momentary switch, that as you hold it you can open these, but as soon as you let go the magnets come back on and they lock close again. So this is more of a safety feature and keep our glassware not broken while we're driving.
We want to teach our kids to live life fully and to enjoy life and adventure that they can create on their own.
And see how other people live around the world. We have some savings, and we have some passive income. If we have some contract work on the go, we'll do some online work, and then otherwise we just minimize and don't spend a lot. Most of the stuff that's fun in life is usually free, so we're just gonna do most of that.
Being able to visit different countries and see different cultures. Same as her, and that we'll have less school time.
Less school time. We're doing
Less school
homeschool.
time.
I know
We're gonna
that's
have
4 hours. Regular school is 6 hours.
Okay.
The biggest struggle.
Being able to use the toilet.
That might be. So this is our shower. Pretty small, but we fit one at a time in there. We keep our composting toilet inside. It has 2 sections to keep the dry and the wet part.
So you take the toilet out when you shower?
We would have to take the toilet out when we shower, yeah, unfortunately. We don't have enough space. This is our bike rack. It just hangs off the back of the car. Fits 4 bikes for the 4 of us. It tilts back just to get access to the back doors.
This is all our sports things. And camping gear. And propane. Well, which is a camping gear.
And your soccer balls.
Soccer ball, basketball, backpack, umbrella, propane tank, garbage burner, and baseball, tightrope stuff here, and rope.
The holes there are mostly to make the box lighter, but it's mostly to make it look a little cooler than a standard box. And we can see stuff from the sides.
And what's with this?
So it doesn't ruin the floor.
No, we cut the corners just so that all the dust inside, when we do sweep it out, it's easier to just sweep it off the corners. Otherwise, all the dust gets trapped in right in the corners. It's the hardest part to clean up. And to close them, you press the buttons on both sides, close them in. They're pretty good.
I think the struggle will be finding space for everyone, but we have the whole world as our backyard.
We keep all our clothes and all our things behind on these closets. It goes the full length of the bed, and we all have our sections. This is mine section. Margie,
my section,
there you go.
Mommy's section, my section, Max's section, and then all our laptops and electronics.
And the kids have their own sections in their own beds up top.
Hi, this is my bed. This is my sister's side. This is my side. Also, we have a charger here if we're charging our e-readers and stuff. Also, in here, these are our clothes. Some of our toys here. We also have some towels. And I think that's it.
Wake up, eat breakfast, go outside, play for a minute, and then do homework. And then for about 2 hours, eat lunch later on, and go back outside. Or if it's raining, just stay inside.
And
Eat dinner and then
see
sleep.
what's out there.
That's on weekends.
What's
Weekends? What's on
Weekdays.
weekdays?
Weekdays.
We have to start our school at 9, so you're still gonna have a schedule of getting up and getting ready for homeschooling at 9 o'clock,
They'll end at 1.
and then by 12 o'clock we should be ready for lunch and
We'll see what
time
we
to
can-
explore the world in the afternoon and evenings. This has been a 10-year long planning that we've been trying to achieve for us and the family. We want to be able to make sure the kids are ready for it. Are you ready for it?
Yeah.
Yes? And we've planned our life and our work according to that boils down to this trip for 10 years. So now we're finally doing it. I would like to take the kids snorkeling and do some more scuba diving and biking. We brought our bikes with us and lots of hiking. We want to be able to see the kids grow up and have this experience that they'll remember in their lifetime.
My hobbies?
Napping.
Napping, sleeping, resting.
Daddy finally.
I don't know, I'm gonna
rest.
pick up new hobbies. We'll see what other people do around the world.
So this table is a foldable table so that when we're driving and not doing any work, we just keep it half. But when we're eating dinner or doing homework, we'll fold it out like this.
And here's all me and my brother's toys and stuff like that with the board games. And then our family shares one printer up here.
In this drawer here, we do all of our school supplies and a little bit of our toys.
So here's our kitchen with our nice good water pressure with our filtered drinking water and our hot water tank under the sink. We managed to fit our Dyson vacuum in there and our cleaning supplies. And on this drawer we have our kids cereals, my flour, all of my cooking oil, apple cider in there, our snacks and cooking stuff. We managed to fit a lot in this drawer, and everything has its own place. And on this drawer here, all of my spices I need for the trip and my baking stuff. And here is our Instapot with our Vitamix for the kids' smoothies and our cooktop right here that we plug in into this table here where I can put my cooktop and plug it here so I can start cooking while I'm enjoying the view that we hope will have $1 million view. I'm looking forward to that. Here's our fridge, which fits enough food for 3-4 days. Kids love to eat pizza, so we have an oven here that's powered by solar that my husband built.
So this is our water fill-up tap. We connect the garden hose to it, and this end goes to any garden hose spigot, and we can fill up our water tank that's inside so it doesn't freeze up. And we have 120 liters worth of water. That's mostly to run the kitchen, do dishes, shower, clean the kids, drink water. We have filters inside, so this thing can make drinking water, clean drinking water, out from any source of water. So we fill this up every time we run low on water.
So this is our little private, or if the kids want some privacy as well, that's their little privacy bed. We have more storage underneath here where we store all of our Costco pantry stuff.
So any advice to any viewers or anyone else? I guess just set a goal and then just do it. There's always things that get in the way. Job, work, friends, family, school, to-do lists, and they never end, but you just have to plunge and do it.
Try not to freak out.
Live life to the fullest. That's just like the car's name right now is YOLO.